Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable 17 plus mode. Go to the settings page, click on parental controls. Before you can set 17 plus mode, you need to create a pin. It can be any 4 digits you want. Make sure you write it down so you don't forget. If you have two-step verification, it will ask for your email code. Now you have to put your PIN to access settings. It's important for enabling 17 plus mode. Click go to account info. Last step is verifying your age. Make sure that your Roblox birthday matches your ID. If I was born in 2005, then I would need to set it as such. Now click verify. Scan the QR code and follow the instructions. Then click on 17 plus mode. Now you can access 17 plus games. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.